So on any Amazon page, you'll often find it as a lawnmower. You can get customers who view this item also viewed. That's a proxy way of trying to find out who on earth is actually looking at your page, because you may or may not get the data. And you'll also find what do customers buy after viewing this item. So that's a way of doing a bit of detective work for types of interest people might have. Obviously lawnmowers, but did we know that customers also bought goals by inspirational stories? So the type of man that buys a lawnmower is a man with a challenge. And again, with this particular non-alcohol, we'll see the other brands that have affinity with this particular brand page. And that's really, really helpful for customers, for people that are trying to do this type of research from zero, or that might wonder whether their Amazon customer is the same as a customer that really knows their brand, because often they're different.